Once I get my picture done and I need to save it, what you're gonna do is you are gonna come up here in the top left-hand corner under menu. You're gonna press that. Now, what we wanna do is we wanna go save. We're gonna save image. Okay, you don't have to worry about the stuff up here at the top over here. You don't have to worry about this. What I want you to do is save. This says adjust angle and framing. If I press on that, 3D view, ooh, that's kind of cool. So let's see, do I want to do any adjusting on here? Oh, there's a scarf. It's kind of crazy. Look at that. How interesting is that? Well, I'm not going to really play around with this. I don't want to do this, so I'm going to hit cancel, and it should go back to where it was. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit save. File name is going to come up. Now, I have created a digital art folder. I want to save it in here, and I'm going to name this Snowman. And all I have to do is hit save. Now, once I have that saved, I can go into Unified Classroom, and I'm going to pull this up. I come to, this is my digital art page. There's an assignment called Snowmen, and I can't hand mine in because I'm not listed as a student, but this is how I can see your work. If I press view work, then all of the kids that have done the assignment, their names will show up here, and I can see who handed it in and grade it and then hand it back. So let me do that one more time to show you how you're going to hand this in. Okay, so you go into Unified Classroom. As you can see, I have kept the page open here. You are going to go to class pages and find art, your art page, and then you will see something called, for example, I will go to bridge, and you're going to see Snowmen at Night here. You click on that, and then you go to activities, hit assignments, and it should come up and you can hand in your work there. So I hope that explains this. Please feel free to watch this again if you are confused. Thank you.